This is my first video, and I'm gonna go metal detecting at this old shooting range. And well, first of all, it closed down in like the 1960s or something. And yeah, I'm gonna go see what I can find at the moment. And there is a abandoned truck here, which I'll show you. So yeah, 1 second. Here's the truck. I found something. Okay, I found a road here, so I'm gonna get started. But I'm gonna do a cut to make it look cool. Yeah. After years of looking, still haven't found anything. Day 3. I found something. Find out what it is. Half of a pop can. I'm the best in the world. Jeez. Never give up. Keep looking. I found something. Hopefully it's not the other half of that pop can. Just over there. Let's dig it. I'm so stupid, I didn't bring a shovel or anything. I'll just see you guys when I actually am done digging this. I found it. The good news is, it's not the other half of that pop can over there. The bad news is, I cut myself on it, and it's rusty. Yeah. Okay. Let's keep looking. Thank you guys for watching. Till we hit 1 like, and yeah, see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and subscribe to my other YouTube channel. It's called Ballistic 073. See you guys.